Okay, welcome back to our tutorial. Our next program is about looping, another control structure, which is the DoWile. Before we discuss while, for, and now DoWile. So what is the difference between while and DoWile loop statement? So in while statement, it will check the expression first before the execution of the main body, while in DoWile it will execute the main body of the loop or the body of the loop, and then it will check the expression if the key condition is true or false. So if the condition is true, it will go back or it will execute the main body, and if it is false, it will exit. For example, we have the syntax do, then the body, then next we have the while, then we have the expression and a semicolon. So to do this, so we have let's say we have a counter, for example int ctr is equal to 1, cout ctr plus plus, then it will check the expression if the ctr is less than equal to 5. Okay, so save, then run, execute and run the program. So the output is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so if you want to increase the limit, example 10, then ctr plus equal to 2, save, then execute, compile and run. So we have here 1 3 5 7 and 9. Okay, so another example, we have here let's say input number, so we have the ctr, okay, cin num, so we declare num, then sum is equal to 0, so sum is equal to plus equal to num. So in our previous video, sum plus equal to num is also equal to sum is equal to sum plus none. Then how about the CTR? So CTR plus plus CTR is equal to CTR plus 1. Okay, so let's limit this one 5. Then out, let's display the sum, the value, is sum. Okay, execute, then compile and run. Okay, so we do not have okay, so let's debug the program. Okay, CTR, then okay, execute, compile and run. Okay, so input number, for example, number 1 is 3, number 2 5, input number 3 2, input number 4 8, and input number 5 we have 6. So the total, the value is 24. Okay, so